Hi guys, here's a quick video to show you how to use the drawing board. Down here you see you can choose how big you want it, if you want it that big, or you can bring that down and you can make it like that, you see, or somewhere in the middle. And you can change your color. You can keep changing your color. You can draw anything you want. You can use this as well. It also has different colors. Or what if you did something wrong and you want to erase? You can use this and it's going to tell you how much it's going to erase. You can take it up for a big erase, or you can take it down for a smaller erase. Okay, if it's really big, then it'll do the whole thing, you see. And I did too much here. Now I want to switch colors. I want pink, so maybe I want to do like a weird little butterfly. Maybe I want orange antennas, but maybe I want it to be small. And maybe I want a black small line coming out of it. And so you can do a lot of things here as long as you know how. And then maybe I want to type something. So I have this box here. I just click where I want the box and I can use this button here to move it. And now I can type something in. Maybe I just want to type in my name. And maybe I want the color of this to be red or blue or brown. Maybe I want to make it bigger or smaller. And I want to move it to the top. And what if I want to type something else? What if I want to type 1/20/21? What if that's my date and I also want to put that at the top? Or what if my teacher says, you know what, you don't need a date. So I could just, I could hit my eraser and I could just, okay, I'm sorry. I can click here and I can just hit the erase button. You can click in it and you can hit the erase button. Or what if I just don't like this drawing at all and I just want to start over? I hate it. I don't like it. Then I can just do this. I can hit the trash can and it's going to delete the whole thing if I click yes. But it didn't exit me out. And what if I just want to add a picture? I can come here. What if I want to add a pizza? I can put in pizza. Whoa, which one? I think I want to add this one. Pizza. And what if I want to make it bigger? What if I want to spin it around? What if I want it tilting? Oh yeah. That way or that way. I think I'm going to do it this way. And I could just say pep pizza. And I can move right here and I want it really big. Pep pizza. And what if I just want to draw some stuff around it? Ooh, circle the pizza. Or maybe I want to add some French fries. On a plate. Or some broccoli. Oops. I have to undo that. If I made a mistake and I just made the mistake, I can press the back button like that. And now I can keep going. And again. Broccoli. And again. Broccoli. And again. Broccoli. So now I have fries and broccoli on a plate and I'm just dying to cut this pizza. Very easy, guys, very easy. And this is how you can utilize the drawing board. All right, have fun.